What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. Alright, and first and foremost, man, I want to thank you guys once again for 1K subs. Yo, you guys have been killing it. The Discord has been killing it. Trusted Signals has been making everybody some money. So guys, everything is gravy on this end. 2021 has been a blessing, and I appreciate you guys sticking around. All right, if you're new to the channel, hit that sub button, hit that like button. All right, if you're new to the channel, this is all about investment strategies and different opportunities to go ahead and just get in the markets. All right, yo, I sell sneakers, I do everything, bro. So look, if you like money, hit that sub button. And in this video, I actually want to do a few things, okay? So boom. First thing I want to do is I want to actually jump into the Trusted Signals Discord. If you're not familiar with Trusted Signals, all right, link in the description for that. All right, if you're not familiar with that, it's a signal indicator that gives you buy and sell alerts on tradingview.com. All right, very dope. So let's go ahead and jump directly in that. Boom, boom. All right, so look, these are a few people who have been posting profits. All right, and what's pretty cool about Trusted Signals, it gives you a lot of different confirmations and gives you entries. There's a lot of different tools within it that's going to give you the benefit of the trade. All right, so as you guys can see here, we also added high highs and low lows, and it's going to give you basically your swing points. And based upon that, if it makes a high high, for the most part, when it makes a high high, it usually has to make another high low or a low low. So what ends up happening is you can take a trade for a sell because you know this is an area where it's been the highest in a long time, you know. So that's a very cool thing as well. And there's a lot of people who are just profiting. All right, now today Caps has been literally murking the markets, and as you guys can see here, boom, let's jump here. So that's what's dope about this as well.
I got love for my trackie and I mean it. You know I had to strap a verse and slap it on the remix. Honestly, you never really see me on the jeans thing. Fuck.
So that's what I love about like Trusted Signals as well, is because we become our own traders and our own boss. And when you're trading at home and you're looking at other people's profitable trades, it motivates you to just become a better trader. So as you can see there, they're giving their analysis. All right, we actually started the trade profit section where expert traders can, you know, give their opinions on what the market is doing. And as you can see here, take profit 1 was smashed. So like the Discord is even blowing up. I actually even gave my trade out as well. And what's crazy is, you know, we ended up not getting my sell limit hit, but the trade would have been profitable for those who did take it, and some traders did take it. So that's very cool as well. So definitely check that out. But what I want to show you guys is my US30 analysis. All right, now my US30, that's my baby. And as you guys can see here, today is inauguration day, and we are right now reaching pretty much all-time highs. And the beauty of finding and reaching an all-time high is now there is going to be a pullback, so to speak. All right, and I do believe we are at that point, because as you guys can see here, I actually charted this up. Okay, we are in an area of resistance on the Fibonacci levels, and if you guys don't know what Fibonacci is, you guys can look up some videos on that. Trusted Signals has Fibonacci's that are built into the specific indicator. So as long as you add that there, it's going to go ahead and show you key areas for your take profit, your entries, and all that good stuff. All right, now remember, look where we are. We're at all-time high levels. We're about to breach it. Obviously, there's a lot of money that's being pumped into the markets because of Biden, and he's trying to provide another stimulus plan, and you know, a lot of bills that are being signed that's going to go ahead and pump money into the economy. So that's the reason why there hasn't been a come down or rundown yet. But guys, we're at a key level. I'm loving it. And we're in a buy. on the hourly. But check this out. Let's check the weekly. What I love about trusted signals, imagine getting in on these weekly moves. A buy on a sell, a buy or a sell on a weekly. You're talking about making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars within this span here. So as you guys can see here, what usually ends up happening after a, number one, we're overbought on the oscillator, right? I'm going to exit that out. That's just an added bonus in trusted signals. But check this out, guys. We're at an area where what happens after a buy signal? A sell signal. And that sell signal has yet to come on this chart, right? So I really, really believe, like, listen, I have full faith in trusted signals. I'm going to make a ton of money because right now I'm just anticipating that sell signal on the weekly chart. Guys, very, very short, simple video. I know that this is not really like one of my longer videos, but there's so much value in just reading charts and allowing yourself, because I mean, even then you can, you can draw your trend lines, like, but why would you want to do that when you can have a full system that does it for you? But like I said, guys, we're reaching an area where let's see what happens. Today is the first day of Biden's presidency, so we can see this break through, and if it breaks through, there's no real key level that would be able to adjust or be able to give us a guidance. But then obviously when we start tuning down to the 5 minutes, then it becomes something where, okay, let's see exactly what happens, so, and on the hourly as well, I do believe on the hourly we will see a sell signal very soon. As you can see here, rejection. So today is Wednesday, January 20th. Let's see what happens. This is my midweek analysis. Hey, subscribe to the channel. We're about to get this money. And believe me when I tell you, when I get into this huge sell, and I will probably end up creating a separate account for US30 and putting in $1,000 to $5,000, small lot size, 0.01, sell limit at some point, let it go, and then just put on my blindfolds and then just let that rock out for 3 months. You know what I mean? And make this real money. You know what I mean? Because look, this is a 1 hourly, but look, on the weekly, this is a month. This is 2 months. This is 3 months. This is 4 months. We've been in an uptrend for months. Let's see what happens. All right. Yo, guys, subscribe, hit that Discord. All right. My Discord chat is blowing up. And man, until the next video, I am out. Peace.